Sounds in French. Hello friends, bonjour. Welcome to my channel all about life and French core. Today we will learn sounds in French. Before starting, please subscribe my channel. On commence maintenant. Today we will learn AIN sounds. How you will pronounce AIN? How you will pronounce it? Par exemple, train, train, bain, bain, main, main, pain, pain, américain, américain, certain, certain, demain, demain. Now we will learn EIN sounds. How you will pronounce it? How you will pronounce it? Peinture, peinture, peintre, peintre. Plein, plein, ceinture, ceinture, enceinte, enceinte, rein, rein. Today's key sentence is Il fait chaud. What does it mean? It's hot. Il fait chaud. If you like my videos, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for learning French with me. Clear your doubts in the comment box. Check the description box for French apps, games and many more. Press the bell icon for my latest videos. Au revoir. Merci. À bientôt.